Maintenance-free battery. In a maintenance-free battery, there is no provision for adding water to the cells because the battery is sealed. It contains cell plates made from a slightly different compound than those found in conventional batteries. The plate grids contain calcium, cadmium, or strontium to minimize gassing and self-discharge. Gassing refers to the conversion of the battery's water into hydrogen and oxygen gas, a process also called as electrolysis. The antimony used in conventional batteries is not used in maintenance-free batteries because it increases the breakdown of water into hydrogen and oxygen and because of its low resistance to overcharging. The use of calcium, cadmium, or strontium minimizes the amount of vaporization that occurs during normal operation. Additionally, the grid may be constructed with additional supports to increase its strength and provide a shorter, less resistant path for the current to flow to the top tab. These batteries typically employ a technology called valve-regulated lead-acid. This technology involves a sealed design that prevents water loss and minimizes the need for regular maintenance. The internal chemistry of the battery is specifically engineered to recombine gases produced during charging, ensuring that the electrolyte level remains stable. Some maintenance-free batteries are equipped with a built-in state of charge indicator, commonly called green eyes. This indicator consists of a small, ball-type hydrometer installed in one of the battery cells. The hydrometer uses a plastic ball that floats when the electrolyte density is sufficient, which it is when the battery is fully charged about 65%. Charged. When the battery is fully charged, a green dot is visible. If the electrolyte density is low, signifying a low battery state of charge, a black dot will appear. The hydrometer tests only one cell out of 6 in a 12-volt battery. Since the hydrometer ball can easily get stuck, it should not be considered a reliable measure of the battery's charge level. Many manufacturers have updated the maintenance-free battery to a caps to facilitate testing and checking electrolyte levels. Additionally, the grid construction contains approximately 3.4% antimony. To reduce the distance and resistance of the current flow within the grid and to enhance its strength, the horizontal and vertical grid bars are designed to avoid intersecting at right angles. There are two basic types of maintenance-free batteries. Those are absorbed glass mat and gelled electrolyte batteries. Absorbed glass mat, AGM. AGM batteries offer superior performance compared to traditional flooded lead-acid batteries. Their unique design, which features an acid-absorbing separator, ensures leak-proof and spill-proof operation. By compressing the cell, AGM batteries enhance durability and maintain optimal acid distribution. The sealed construction, equipped with a pressure release valve, eliminates the need for regular maintenance. Unlike flooded batteries, AGM batteries efficiently retain gases produced during charging, reducing electrolyte loss and extending their lifespan. The separator's high saturation level facilitates rapid gas recombination, further contributing to their longevity. Additionally, AGM batteries can be installed in any orientation due to their absorbed acid design. With a typical service life of 7 to 10 years, AGM batteries provide a reliable and long-lasting power solution. Gelled electrolyte batteries. In a gelled electrolyte battery, silicate is added to the electrolyte, which turns the electrolyte into a substance similar to gelatin. This type of battery is also called a gel battery. Both types of valve-regulated lead-acid batteries are also called recombinant battery designs. A recombinant type battery operates by allowing the oxygen gas generated at the positive plate to travel through the dense electrolyte to the negative plate. When the oxygen reaches the negative plate, it reacts with the lead, consuming the oxygen gas and preventing the formation of hydrogen gas. This process of oxygen recombination is why valve-regulated lead-acid batteries do not require water.